You guys, what's good? DKICKS47 here. I got a Karmaloop package for you guys. I'm pretty sure this is only one pair of pants. I ordered 3 pairs of joggers, but the other 2 are in California right now. Those will be here later this week. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna open up this one. So apparently we don't even need a knife. I'm doing my foam posits right now. This is like, they're drying right now, so I decided I should do this. Nothing else in there. These are by Uniform, and actually these are different than the ones I wanted. I thought I ordered them, like these, there's these ones I ordered one time and I didn't get them. For some reason, like it just didn't go through. And these look just like those, but they're not. They're a little different. But yeah, I picked these up for a good deal. I ordered 3 pairs and the total came to like $64. These are originally $62 and I paid $26. So yeah, let's open these up. Okay, I like the quality on them already. They're just a pretty basic pair of joggers, you know what I'm saying? Gray, all over gray. There's one pocket in the back with this leather. It says Uniform. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm not completely sure. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, these look pretty good quality, I'm not gonna lie. On the inside, it's got this pretty good material. Some shoelaces. Yeah. Tapered bottoms. Classic joggers. Yeah, man, pretty nice, pretty basic. I got these for steel, so why not? Yeah, quick little unboxing for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching for more videos. I should have some more up this week. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.